Hi there everybody, today is transformation day, so we are going to start with our day cream so that our skin is moisturized and prepped. Next, para sa linis kinis ganda, we are going to use CC cream or complexion corrector cream, and as you can see, it really creates a wonderful skin, flawless, makinis at maganda. Kila is life, so we are going to use two things, the brow tint gel and the brow pencil. So first, for the brow pencil, just create the outline of your brows, and after that, fill in the sparses of your brows. Sabi nga na isang makeup artist, blend, blend, blend. So brush it so that you can create a very beautiful brow, natural looking. At sapawan mo ngayon ito ng ating brow tint gel para mas maganda yung ating brows. For the eyeshadow, we are going to use the quad eyeshadows made by Luis Casco. The lower part shade, we're going to use it first and apply it in the whole area of the eyelids. Huwag kalimutan yung iba pang bahagi na yung eye area. And using the angle brush with the same shade of the eyeshadow, apply it on the outer V corner of your eyes. Using a flat brush, get that darkest shade of the quad and apply it on the whole area of the eyelid. And using your beauty fingers, get the lightest shade and apply it to the center of your eyelids. And we are done with our eyes. So next step is our waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. Yes, it's waterproof. And our lash intensity mascara, I don't have that lashes, but this one does the difference. And we are done with the eyes, pero hindi ako nakapag-falsies. So, ngayon, proceed tayo sa ating nose line. Kahit patangos ng ilong mo, it's really good to have a nose line, especially it is very good in pictures. And don't forget na itago yung makatabaan ng ating face, contour here and there and everywhere. And our blush on, that's very nice because Mary Kay's blush on is Chroma Fusion, meaning it lasts up to 24 hours. And you can see the difference, napakaganda na. And the last thing is our lipstick. It's the needed thing to complete the look, and it's in the shade Rockstar Red. It has vitamins E and sunflower oil extracts, and let's have the complete look. Ta-da! This is it, pansit. Ang ganda na ng mood rakels nyo. And now we are ready to have our picture taking for our event. So I hope you have learned something, girls, mga ka-beauty, and try it for yourself. Don't be afraid to explore some colors. Bye!